Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today we're looking at real classic motorcycles for sale across the United States. Running bikes, projects, and honest listings you can actually buy right now. Number 1. 1986 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide, Chemung Township, New Jersey, $3,000. This 1986 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Classic offers true American touring heritage at an entry-level price. With just over 18,000 miles, this bike is known for long-distance comfort, solid road presence, and classic Harley character. It runs well and includes a brand new battery plus 2 new tires ready to be installed. The speedometer is currently not working, and it hasn't been on the road in several years, making this an ideal candidate for a light recommission or weekend refresh. For riders looking for a full-size Harley touring platform without the modern price tag, this Electra Glide represents serious value. Number 2. 1989 Honda GB500 TT Tourist Trophy, Downingtown, Pennsylvania, $4,000. The Honda GB500 TT is one of the most collectible Japanese classics of the late 1980s, inspired by vintage British cafe racers, but backed by Honda reliability. This example shows just under 10,000 original miles and was purchased from the original owner. It has been fully gone through with a clean fuel system, fresh fluids, new battery, and properly serviced brakes. Equipped with a Corbin seat and Super Trap exhaust, it's ready to ride and enjoy immediately. Clean title, strong runner, and increasingly hard to find, the GB500 TT continues to climb in collector appeal. Number 3. 1966 BSA Thunderbolt, Gloucester, Virginia, $3,500. This 1966 BSA Thunderbolt is a true British classic with long-term ownership history, having been owned by the same individual for over 50 years. It remains largely original, with a rebuilt carburetor and new battery, and it starts and runs. While it will benefit from further mechanical attention, the bike has clearly not been abused and has been garage kept for decades. Tires hold air but are older, and mileage cannot be verified. For collectors who appreciate originality and honest condition, this Thunderbolt offers a solid foundation for preservation or careful restoration. Number 4. 1980 Kawasaki KZ1000, Dundalk, Maryland, $7,000. The Kawasaki KZ1000 is a legendary superbike known for its power, durability, and unmistakable presence. This 1980 example shows just over 10,000 miles and has been thoughtfully maintained with rebuilt Mikuni carburetors, new tires, and a new header. Subtle updates include integrated rear lighting while retaining its classic muscle bike look. While not a perfect show bike, it runs strong and remains highly rideable. Clean, powerful, and increasingly collectible, the KZ1000 continues to be a favorite among vintage Japanese performance enthusiasts. Number 5. 1971 Triumph Trailblazer, Lewis, Delaware, $5,000. This 1971 Triumph Trailblazer blends classic British styling with lightweight versatility for both road and trail use. Showing approximately 8,000 miles, the bike has been completely gone over by a Triumph shop and comes with a good title. New tires make it ready for immediate use, whether cruising back roads or light off-road riding. Known for its simplicity and character, the Trailblazer is an excellent choice for riders seeking a vintage dual-purpose motorcycle with authentic 1970s charm. Number 6. 1986 Suzuki Intruder 700 BS, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, $1,850. The Suzuki Intruder 700 offers classic cruiser styling, paired with dependable Japanese engineering. This bike has been freshly painted, fitted with a new exhaust system, and carefully disassembled, cleaned, and reassembled. It runs well, shifts smoothly through its 5-speed transmission, and is fully inspected with a clean title. Optional Harley-style exhaust pipes are included. Affordable, comfortable, and ready to ride, this Intruder is a great entry point into vintage cruising without breaking the bank. Number 7. 1970 Moto Guzzi Ambassador, Woodbridge, Virginia, $6,000. The Moto Guzzi Ambassador is a distinctive Italian classic powered by the iconic transverse V-twin engine. This 1970 example has been sitting for several years and currently does not run, though it reportedly ran last year. With its timeless styling, shaft drive, and unmistakable mechanical presence, it offers a strong base for a revival or restoration project. For collectors who appreciate vintage European engineering and are willing to bring a classic back to life, the Ambassador delivers unmistakable character. Number 8. 1980 Yamaha XS1100 Custom Cafe Racer, Monroe Township, New Jersey, $4,000. Built by HX Customs in Brooklyn and Iron Cycles in New Jersey, this Yamaha XS1100 has been transformed into a striking cafe racer. With 27,500 miles, it is turnkey and ready to ride, combining strong 4-cylinder performance with aggressive custom styling. Known for reliability and torque, the XS1100 platform makes an excellent base for custom builds. This bike stands out visually while remaining practical for real-world riding. Number 9. 1984 BMW R Series, Columbia, Maryland, $4,600. This 1984 BMW R Series represents the classic air-cooled boxer era that made BMW famous for longevity and smooth riding manners. With just under 36,000 miles, it has been enjoyed regularly and maintained as a rider rather than a garage piece. Comfortable, balanced, and known for covering serious miles with ease, this BMW is ideal for riders seeking a timeless touring motorcycle with proven engineering and understated style. Number 10. 1982 Yamaha Virago, Toano, Virginia, $800. Priced as an entry-level project, this 1982 Yamaha Virago 650 shows just 14,000 miles and offers strong potential for restoration or customization. It was running until a chain issue occurred and will need brake work and general attention. While it does not currently have a title, a bill of sale is included. For builders or budget-minded enthusiasts, this Virago provides an affordable platform to bring a classic V-twin back on the road. These are real classic motorcycles for sale right now across America. If you enjoy honest listings and timeless machines, subscribe to Moto Market Explorer for more every day.